Welcome to Richie's Garage. We're in the backyard working on the Bedford again. Weather's been crap, haven't been able to do a lot outside or inside. We need to be taking the truck apart. We're still running through all the vacuum systems. We're still working on a bit of electrics. It's not too bad. I'm really looking at redoing the chassis. I don't want to have to buy another one and try and make it the same size. We're going to be working on split rims today. So if you're interested in split rims, this is the video for you. We do only have one three-piece 8-stud. It's basically the original wheel that came off the back of the truck. The two wheels on the front are a different split rim. So we're just going to have a quick overlook, and I'll throw a tyre on it and just give you a breakdown of how it all works. All right, hang on a sec. We've got the three pieces. Now, you hear of three pieces. Some of them are actual three-piece rim, and they fit inside. I think they're mainly Volvos or maybe Mercedes. This is a three-piece. We have the actual rim itself, which is what the tyre goes over. It is solid steel. It has the valve inlet where the obviously the valve on the tyre tube goes. You put the tyre on, you line that up, then you throw this bit on. Now this goes onto the wheel itself. Sorry, it's not a very good example. Then you have this bit. This is called your locking rim. It has a split in it. Sorry, that's really shocking. It is it's a tension fit. It fits between the rim and the retainer. So this is your actual thing. This is the little groove where you'll stick your tyre lever, and once the tyre is deflated, you'll actually remove that bit, and that'll peel off around, and it will come out nicely, hopefully not under too much tension, which is the main concern. So I'm just going to pause this for a sec, and then we'll get back and we'll throw a tyre on. Alright, so this is one of the original tyres that we've had taken off. It was just to break down the rims basically. Yes, there is water inside it. We're not putting it up, we're not pumping it up, we are just lining it up. Now, as you can see, the valve sticks one way. Now I can turn this around and it'll face out. So if this is the outside rim, this will face out. Now if it's the inside rim, you want the valve to be facing this way, so it's better to get access into it, or if you like stuffing around behind, go for your life. So we sometimes have extensions on the inside ones, but this just for the purpose of demonstration is just going to be lined up. And through the magic of video, I'll just fix that. And ta-da! It's come through. It's off a bit kilter, but as I said, we're not inflating it. This is purely demonstrating. The rim. This is the tyre sitting inside it. So the first thing we do is we get the locking nut. Oh, the setting rim sets in around it. Okay, now that doesn't seem all that hard. Bit of a set with the foot. Now this is not going to be inflated, so it doesn't have to sit perfectly. So what we do is we get the inner rim, the circlip. This is probably the hardest bit, the most difficult bit. It's a pain in the ass. But basically, I've got weight on me. I can set that in there. just and of course it doesn't want to do it. Oh great, so it's not going to go. Maybe I need to let more air out. Alright, so it's caught, thank you. Pulling it around. And I'm thinking there was too much air left in that. I didn't probably deflate it properly, or there's too much water. So this is a bit of a bust, but that's basically how they go in, and I have had them go in a lot bloody easier. So yeah, maybe cleaning it up would have been a good idea. But as you can see, it started going in the edge. It sits between the outer and the inner. This would close up and that would sit down flush, and those two ends would come together nicely. Probably up to a 10mm gap. We'd like to see less, obviously, but for the sake of this purpose, that's basically it. So I'm not going to leave it like this. But there you go. Best I can do. Hope it's helped. Richie's Garage over and out. Subscribe if you like. Thanks.